Hello friends, my name is Harish and welcome to this tutorial series about Django. In my previous video, I covered what is Django and introduced that Django is a web framework, and then we went ahead and saw what Django provides and what it doesn't, and then we did the installation of Django and as well as Python, and now we are ready to create a Django project. We need to do to create Django project is to go to command line and use a Python script which is provided by Django, which is called django admin.py. And so let's go to our command line and see how it works. So now I am on my command prompt or the terminal in my Mac, or if you are on Windows, you will be on your command prompt. So first thing I will do is to go to desktop. I think I'm already on desktop. Yes, so I'm already on desktop. So you can choose any folder where you want to create a project. So now I will be executing the command which we saw, that is Django-admin and .py, and then space start project. It's all one word in lowercase, and then the name of the project. So let's say demo project. So here you see this command has been executed, and now I can see a project here, project folder here. So now let's see what is there in the project file, project folder. So here I can see there are uh, few files created by the this script. So I will be opening this project in Atom so that it's easy to see. So I'm going to add that project folder. I'll go to desktop and then demo project and open. So as you can see, I have opened this project here, and we can see the files that the script generated. First, inside of the project, demo project, there is a file called manage.py, and besides it, there is an inner demo project folder that contains four files. These are inits, underscore init, then settings, URLs, and WSGI file. So let's take a look at what these of each files does. So we use manage.py file to run various commands for our project, and then there is a file init underscore dot py file that tells Python that this folder contains Python files, and you'll also hear it pronounced as dunder init. Then we have WSGI or WSGI file that provides a hook for web servers such as Apache or Nginx. And then there is a setting files that configures Django. The URLs files that requests based on the URLs. While there are five files that the script generated, we generally won't edit the first three, that is these three files, and we don't touch them at all actually. And then the last two files, that is settings and URL, we will use these to configure Django and to set up how our URL routing is done with these so now let's try to run it. I will go back to my terminal, and let's try to run this project and see what is being executed. So I will go back to my folder demo project, that is cd demo project, and I will type ls to ensure that I am in right folder and I can see the contents. So if you are on Windows machine, you'll need to use directory command to do the same thing. Now to run our project for the first time, I'll type python 3 space manage.py and then run server. It's all one word and in lowercase. So as soon as I execute, it's showing you that the file project has been started at this port. So you can go to any browser. So let's go to Chrome. Let's do localhost colon 8000. So here you go. So this is the default Django project which is created by Django, and these are the default screen that Django makes when we create a new Django project. From here, our basic project has been generated and we are ready to build it out completely. So in my next video, I will cover how to make a Django apps. So we'll go into more details into next video. Thank you.